Mastering how to add texture to text in Adobe Illustrator. Creating a beautiful lettery X with a stunning texture can transform a simple design into a captivating masterpiece. In this tutorial, you'll learn step-by-step how to achieve this effect using Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, elevating your typography to new heights. My name is Homera Lake. And my channel is HLGRAPHICS. First, we'll take the letter X and create an outline of it. Here, I have chosen a great font that is both thick and wide, ensuring that the texture we apply will be prominently visible and impactful. Feel free to select any font with similar characteristics. A bold, expansive typeface will beautifully showcase the texture and elevate the overall design. Now we're going to select the square shape from the Shape tool and create a small box, then Ctrl-D press and make a few copies of it, group it together, and then a copy of it. We'll take and set it down and group it again. We will not place the duplicate copy exactly below, but the boxes should be in the middle of each other. Duplicate copies will also be taken. To make a duplicate copy, press Shift and Alt to make a copy. And then press Ctrl-D. This way you will have many copies. Group them. Use the Selection tool to grab the boxes. Next, navigate to the Effect menu. Select Distort and Transform from the drop-down. You'll see a variety of options before you. Choose Tweak to proceed. The Tweak effect in Adobe Illustrator adds a dynamic and organic texture to your designs by subtly distorting the paths of your shapes or text. This effect introduces irregularities and gentle waves, giving the design a more handcrafted, artistic feel. It's perfect for adding a unique, textured appearance that stands out, making your artwork look less mechanical and more visually intriguing. Whether you're aiming for a grunge look or just a touch of character, Tweak enhances the natural beauty of your design elements. Now place the texture we created above the X and select both. Now go to Pathfinder and click on Divide and use mouse to ungroup. This way the black and white part will be separated. Using the Magic Wand tool, select and delete the white part and unite the black part. In addition to white and black color, there will be some unnecessary lines, delete them also. In this way you have the X logo in black color with texture. Now we will choose the background color. Here I have chosen the gradient color. Now we will also give a little drop shadow effect on the logo, it makes look more stunning. Now you know that I must make a presentation of the logo and show it to you. For that we go to Photoshop. Here I have used different mockups. Look up, it looks so beautiful. Here I will also teach you how to use a t-shirt mockup, on which I will also show this X textured logo. First, look carefully at the layers that appear on the right side. Double-click on the place where rectangular one is written. In this way, another page will open in front of you, where you can drag and drop your design from Illustrator and set it here. And close this layer to the design that was already here. Now press Ctrl-S from the keyboard, this file will be saved. Now on your first page, let's see your design is ready here and how good it looks on the t-shirt. Many of my videos about mockups are available on my channel. Must go and see them. And thanks so much for looking at my work. Subscribe my channel. Like and share with friends.